At the Printed Cup Company, the production line is busy making cups for dispatch later that day. But there's scope for more orders. CEO Mark Woodward is looking for a new campaign when two passing cyclists remind him of a global event that's coming to Lancashire and bringing the world's press with it.
When I heard the Tour of Britain was coming to Clitheroe, I thought we've got to do something special. I thought it's got to be big, bright, and have our company name splattered all over it.
Believing that 5 minds are better than one, Mark calls a brainstorm to thrash out some ideas.
We've got the Tour of Britain coming through Clitheroe. What can we do to celebrate it?
Maybe we could build a giant paper cup.
We could make it yellow, like the winning jersey.
Yeah, we could lift it up on the roof so when the cameras fly past they'll see everything.
I think if we're going to do this though, it's got to be the world's largest paper cup.
That would be awesome.
So that's agreed. The world's largest cup covered in bright yellow paper. Simple. Most of the construction can be done in-house, but the paper is a specialist job. It needs to be strong and bright. So that means James Cropper in Kendal, who've been making high-grade paper since 1845.
So we make all sorts of grades of paper for applications including luxury packaging cartons and shopping bags. We do a lot of paper for hardback book manufacture, a lot of graphical materials. We make the paper for the poppies for Remembrance Sunday. But one thing we've never done before is make a giant paper cup.
Within 24 hours, the order is started. 1,000 metres of high-grade paper, half of it made from recycled cups, and dyed the brightest, purest yellow, a hallmark of the company's craft.
So this project really appealed to us because we work a lot with different creative projects. We make 40,000 different colours to make the world's largest yellow cup really fell into our sweet spot.
It's on its way, 1,000 metres of yellow paper.
Back in Clitheroe, Mark Woodward wants the cup, which could weigh in the region of 2 tonnes, put onto the roof. A challenge for operations manager Mike Benjamin.
I think we need to get it up really high because the helicopter's going to come down Chatburn Road. He won't see it down here. So what about putting it up on the roof?
We don't know, Mark. I think the size of the cup we're building, I don't think this roof would be able to take the weight.
We need to get it up high. Can you have a think about how we're going to achieve that?
Yeah, OK, can have a look and see what else we can come up with.
Leaving Mike to work that one out, designers are hard at work on how the cup will look, and there's been a development.
Good news, the Guinness Book of World Records have called. They've accepted our application.
Oh, fantastic.
The bad news is we've got to fill the cup with water.
That could be a challenge.
You're right there, Mark. Needs to be full to qualify. That's a potential weight of 12 tonnes. Better build it strong, boys. It's 4.5 metres high and 3 metres wide and takes the team 5 days to build. But will it qualify as the world's largest cup? It's race day and judgment day. A local architect, Richard Maudsley, is doing the honours and checking it's the right width and height. It's absolutely right and is the world's largest paper cup. Let's hope the team at the Guinness Book of Records agrees.
Fingers crossed, we're really confident we will be in for a record. Of course, none of this would have got to where we are today without a fantastic team behind us, and the Printed Cup Company has some fantastic people working here who've given up all of their spare time to be able to get this constructed.